Junior Tafa is set to go down against. Junior Tafa will be set to go down against Bilal Khan, and I'm having a big problem right now, considering that Junior Tafa is having the worst possible nightmare matchup, and Bilal Khan is super technical, very long fighter, which we've seen in the match against Ibu Aslan. Against Ibu Aslan, he was really having a hard time dealing with his opponent's long range, long distancing, and Tafa is having big heart. He'll go for over nothing, and I respect Tafa for that. But I doubt he could get the job done, and I'm having a feeling that Tafa is cooked. Literally, I'm thinking Tafa is cooked, and I'm going to give advantage to Billy Lekana. Billy Lekana has good movement, good, good and decent ground game. But if I must pick a side, like I'm confident in Billy Lekana to win. Very confident.